Good evening, students. How are you? I hope you all are very fine. And I hope you are getting whatever I'm teaching you day by day. We are moving forward and for completing the chapter. I hope you all are getting the view of the chapters over there. But students, you people are not giving me any answer or any reply regarding whether you're getting the chapter or not getting the chapter. This you're not replying me. Only one basic reply. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Tag. It's coming as soon as I'm sending. Watch the video and then you reply me in the group also, in personally also you can reply. Or if you're not getting, if you have any queries, then also reply. Answer me, ask me if you have any queries. Or if you're getting everything, that's well and nice. If you're getting also everything even, then also reply. Either on my personal WhatsApp number or on YouTube comment also you can reply. As per your choice or as per your ease. Okay. So students, let's begin today's video. Yesterday, if you could remember, the child was stopping on different shops and he was thinking, if I'll ask to the parents this for this or for that also. So he was knowing very well what will be the answer of the parents also. Let's have a quick recap what we had yesterday. First of all, he met on the sweetmeat seller. And when he thought that if he will ask to his parents about the sweetmeat seller, so his parents will say, you are very greedy. So this way parents will deny to buy anything for him. Afterwards, he went to the flower seller, which was hawking, and then the parent will say, no, these are very cheap, they won't purchase. And then he went to the balloons. A man was holding a balloon on his poles. So he thought that the father will say, what will the answer? That you are enough big. You are not as much young to play with the balloons. And then at last he went to the snake charmer. Yesterday we left there only, and the father, and he was knowing the answer that the father will say that it's not that, but knowing his parents had forbidden him to hear such coarse music. Yes, the music was very harsh, very coarse, which he should not wear. So parents would reply this. So from here, students, let's continue further. We are in the next para of that. I hope you are ready with your book and pencil also. There was a roundabout in full swing. Roundabout in Hindi you call it चरखी वाला झूला होता है ना, मेले में हम जाते हैं तो गोल गोल ऐसे करके चरखी वाला झूला होता है. Many seats are there जिसमें लोग बैठे होते हैं और वो ऐसे करके घूमता है और वो swing, full swing मतलब in a full form, and every people were moving here and there. So finally he reached to that place from where he was lost. That was a roundabout swing only in which he was lost. So he reached there. Okay. Men, women and children, many men, many women and many children carried away in a whirling motion, round motion, carried away when the roundabout was moving. So they were also carried because they were sitting on that charkhi, so they were also carried away with that. Shrieked, and you must have observed, जब कभी भी आप चरखी में बैठे होंगे तो जब वो जोर से स्विंग करता है या जब वो नीचे उतरता है तब बहुत डर सा लगता है that we are about to fall. So we used to shriek. Shriek means चीखना, to cry with fear or pain or whatsoever. Shrieking is there, cried with dizzy laughter. Dizzy, थोड़ा dizzy feel करना, चक्कर सा आना, that when we are about to fall down, so we feel that we are about to fall down, or we feel dizzy, our head is feeling roundabout even then also. So that kind of laughter, that kind of sound was spreaded everywhere, and he was just minutely watching everything else. The child watched them intently. Intently means with full attention, unwilling to move from there and even forget where his parents went away. He did not bother even this also. Intently, and then he made a bold request. And when finally, before that also, remaining the 4 shops before that also, he only thought in his mind that he will request to his parents, but he was knowing what will be the answer of his parents. Now finally he thought, this time though I'm going to have a bold request, like I want this anyhow. So he said in a very force format way, I want to go on the roundabout, please, father, mother. Now that was a very bold content. This he don't want to hear anyhow. He don't want to hear no, neither from father nor from mother. So he prepared himself very boldly, and very bold request he did. Father, mother, I want to go there. Please let me go there. This he said. Then afterwards, there was no reply. Generally, he was expecting the same reply. Either it is cheap, or the music is bad, or you are very young, or you are very greedy, or so and so. Different replies were there of the parents. But this time when he made a request, he did not see to his mother or father while requesting. He was just, his eyes were fixed on the roundabout whirling, and by mouth he requested boldly. He thought his parents are listening, either standing behind or a bit far from him, and they are listening him. That is why he didn't see. Without seeing them, he made a request very boldly. But when he did not get any reply, means he was expecting the reply also no, but neither no nor yes, no reply he did get. Then what did he do? He turned to look at his parents. Then he looked back where his parents went away. Maybe he must have thought maybe they are ready to do so. That is why they did not reply even no. So for that queries, he turned back, looked at his parents. But for the sympathy, they were nowhere. And that was a shock for him. In such a huge crowd, a young and small child lost his parents. Then ahead of him, they were not there ahead of him. Ahead of him means afterwards, forward also he saw, here and there he saw. He turned to look on either side, this side, that side, front side, back side, nowhere. They were not there. He looked behind them. Again, there were no sign of them. Firstly, he turned back, nobody was there. Then he looked here and there, nobody was there. Then he looked behind again, nobody was there. Not even a sign of him was also there. It means finally he was lost, or he has lost his parents. Clear? A full deep cry rose within his dry throat. The throat became dry. Not due to the lack of water, but due to the fear that he is now all alone. A huge crowd is there, but a parentless crowd. He was not having any known fellow in that crowd to him. So within his dry throat, his throat became dry, and he have a cry. Then a sudden jerk of his body, he ran from where he stood, and then he started to run. Firstly he cried, and then he started to run here and there, crying in real fear. And now a real fear expressions came on his mouth. Father, mother, tears rolled down from his eyes, hot and fierce. Now his happy face, his excited face turned into sad face, crying face. That was the expressions of his face actually. His eyes hot and fierce. Fierce means the eyes became red, and hot his face becomes quite red in fear. Where to go? Whom to ask? He lost his mother and father. What will be done now? His flushed face. Flushed means happy, light face. Did you remember when we started the chapter, the face was quite fresh and light, and very excited also as soon as he was stepping up towards different shops. But now that fresh face was convulsed. Convulsed means get inside with fear. Now this flushing of the face, that the happiness of the face was hidden, and the fear arrived, or the fearful expressions covered the face, and the flush was covered by the fearful expressions on his face. Panic stricken, बहुत ज़्यादा डर जाना, too much stricken. He ran to one side first, then to the other side, this side, that side. Firstly he just took a round from his own place where he was standing, but after some time he started to run here and there, maybe somewhere, बहुत ज़्यादा दूर नहीं गए होंगे, तो he could catch his parents, but not there. Hither and thither, यहाँ वहाँ, दोनों तरफ, hither thither, in all directions, everywhere, wheresoever he can go, he searched his parents, knowing not where to go. And so pathetic his condition was, he was not knowing where to go. Mother, father, he wailed. Wail means cried a lot. Oh mother, oh father, where you have left, where you have gone. And his all the bold request and all that all vanishes away. Now his only wish is to get his parents back anyhow. His condition became very pathetic. Then his yellow turban came untied, and the turban which he wore, that was untied, it opened, and his clothes became muddy, and he himself became quite dirty. The dust spread over his clothes, running here and there. Means the freshness on his face, on his clothes, flew away or vanishes away as soon as he came to know that he has lost his parents. So here students, the time is ending up here for this video. I hope you are getting this very well and understanding the things, but keep on writing in comments if you're getting, then also if you're not getting, even then also. And here ends up, I'm ending up the video. So that's all for today. Stay safe, stay home, bye bye.